What's up everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing Air Jordan 1 small grey. I purchased them from Foot Locker. I paid £84, which is around $106. I found one cheaper in JD, which is £80. It comes to $100, which is also more expensive than in the USA, but that's the prices in the UK at the moment. JD didn't have my size, so got it off Foot Locker. I bought them to replace these old Air Force Ones, which is pretty beat up already, so it's time to refresh with a new pair. If you like this kind of videos, consider subscribing. You know, every subscriber counts, so I appreciate you guys subscribing, commenting, liking, sharing. And let's jump right into the video. So that's the box. It took 7 days to arrive. So, this is the box. Air Jordan 1 Low, black, small grey, UK size 10, number 23. Let's open. Looking fresh. Stay until the end, guys. I will show you around the shoe on fit properly. As of now, they fit perfectly, true to size. Feel very comfy. So let's take a closer look. So you got the grey outsole with your little stars right there. White midsole. Nice soft leather. The toe box, black leather around. I like this detail here, number 23. Flat laces, Jumpman on the thong. Okay, size 10. On the back you got Air Jordan wings, stitched in grey, grey swoosh. White panel, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing much special about the shoes. I just like the colorway. I think that's gonna be a great summer shoes of 2020. The inside the shoe, black insole, white Air Jordan logo. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, because why not? You're already here. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Rio, Rio, Rio.